Okay, now we get to do something different. Almost done with fabrication. I still got to do the doors and that panel over there that's rusted out, and the cowl, got to fix that. Bottom of the doors, and the fabrication is real close. Now we got this. This is gonna be fun because it's gonna be something different. These old 59 Cadillac taillight lenses. By the way, I got these on eBay for 20 bucks for a pair of them, brand new, so that ain't bad. But what I want to do, I don't want to put it all the way in the back. I want to put it kind of on the side, so it'll be, you'll be able to see the light from the side too, and from the back. But anyway, I got it using a piece that didn't work, making it something like that, because I got to have a way to mark this hole. So I shaped this up to fit this, which is real close to the size of the hole. And I'm going to use this, put this right there and mark around it to cut this hole out there. All right, it's gonna go in there like that. Obviously, it's gonna be cut off flush, and this here is gonna look something like that. Something like that. That way you'll be able to see the light from the side or the back. So after I got the piece made, stick it in the hole and mark around the edge and cut it off, because this here's gonna be flush with the body. Okay, this is a look I'm shooting for. About right there. Yep, that's it. Get all the parts made for tail lights. This is at the old Ford Exploder out there. I had to use 2 gaskets because that sheet metal is so thin, so I put 2 gaskets on there and makes it fit tight. This here is going to go this piece is going to weld to that. It's going to make a cap to hold the light bulb. It's covered in, a couple of screws to hold it in so you can take it off and change the lens if you need to. Yeah, that's what we got so far. Gonna put a screw in through there. Screw there, 2 of them, probably all you'll be able to get to once this is welded in place. lens goes in there, or lens goes in that way, and put the cap on. Simple as that. You don't have to really be a good welder. You just have to be a good grinder. Famous quote from American Hot Rod. How many of you guys remember that? That quote. You don't have to be a good welder, you just have to be a good grinder. I forgot the boy's name. One of Boyd Coddington's workers said that on one of the shows. Yep, they look cool. Go see it from the side or the back. That's the way they're gonna look on the inside. A little motorcycle battery, that's good, perfect thing for testing circuits when you're working on electric circuits and stuff. It's good, perfect, easy to carry around, good stuff. Tail light. Brake light. Both of them, both lights. That'll work real good right there. That's good, that's good, it's good, it's good. All right, tail lights. 59 Caddy tail lights. Appreciate you. See you next time.